Alright, YouTube. Today I'm going to unbox and review this Quadair drone. I ordered this from Quadair. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, this is what I received. I actually ordered two for a discounted price. Not bad. I think they worked out to be around $59 a piece, something like that. But let's get this stuff out of here. We'll start with this. This is your prop guards. They're very easy to install. This is the drone, which weighs 3.1 ounces with the battery installed. This is the remote. So let me get this out of here. Alright, we'll start with the remote. Your basic PS4 type remote, PS5. These antennas are fake. They're just there for aesthetics. You have your left joystick, your right joystick. This is your auto ascend, auto descend, power button, your fine tuning buttons up and down, pitch and yaw. These are for fine tuning your yaw. These are for fine tuning your pitch forward and back. And then we have a series of buttons here. This will cause the drone to flip. You press this, you'll get a rapid succession of beeps. Push left or right, and that'll cause the drone to flip 360 degrees in whichever direction you push the right toggle. This is for headless mode, which allows you, when engaged, to, no matter the orientation of the drone, whether it's facing front, back, left, or right, to your relative position, to pull back on this, your right joystick, and it will come back toward you. This is your north, south, east, and west orientation. I guess I'll have to look into that a little further. This will hold your phone. You can either fly watching your phone, and that's another video all in itself, which I will post later. These, or this, is your instruction manual. Helpful. I suggest you read it fully. This is the QR code for downloading the app for your phone. I'll do another video on that, and connecting your phone to your cameras. But right now we're just gonna go over the drone itself. So I ordered this from Quadair, like I said. It's basically a blank, the E58, same drone, just has a logo on it. You open your top arms first, because it has two landing pad sticks. Then you open your lower ones. This is your antenna. It will come with a sticker on it. Dude, my advice, don't pull the sticker off. Cut it off. Do something, you don't want to damage your antenna. That's how you link to your remote. This is a 3.7 volt, 600 milliamp lithium battery. Now, let me show you. This little package comes in underneath everything, along with your manual. You have 4 replacement props, a little screwdriver to replace the props if need be, and this charger, which I'm going to take out right now and show you. Okay, on the side of the battery, there's a little port. You're going to, me without my glasses, plug that in, and then plug this into a USB port. Initially, the manual says charge it for an hour, and then it should take half an hour. It seems to take a little longer than that, but it is what it is. So let's put this back in here. Alright. So now, let me get this stuff out of the way. Let's set the drone here. Excuse me. You're going to turn on your drone once your battery's charged. I believe you can see the blinking lights. Then you're going to turn on your remote. You're going to hear a beep. In order to link the remote to the drone, you're going to go up and down on your left toggle. So now it's linked. You saw the light stop blinking. Just a quick push up on the left toggle initiates the drone, your props, and I've had this for about a week now. I've abused the living hell out of it. Crashed it multiple times, almost lost it on my first flight. I would highly suggest to learn how to hover low altitudes. As light as it is, it handles pretty decent in high winds. I was surprised. I was very surprised. It's a great little drone. The cameras are decent. I'll do another video on those. I have footage. But for right now, I would highly recommend this drone. It's a lot of fun. You get about 8 to 10 minutes worth of air time, flying time, and it's built very nice. Quality, everything's tight. This has a quality feel to it. I haven't had any issues, and that's about it for now. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day.